When did you hold your partner's hands last time? When did you kiss them last time? When did you touch them, feeling their every skin cell and their body's warmth? If these are things you have stopped doing, perhaps you have intimacy issues. Don't worry, this doesn't mean you no longer love your partner. Intimacy and love are different things which are often mixed. But the truth is that you can love someone but cannot have intimacy. That's how it is. So, can you bring that intimacy back where you feel recharged by only seeing your partner? Well, the answer is yes. Sometimes we can have imperceptible intimacy issues we don't feel, but they exist. In this video, we will tell you how you can fix intimacy issues whether you are married or not. Your partner is there, and that's what you need to start. Let's get started. But what are intimacy issues in the first place? Intimacy issues stem from being reserved and closed to expressing your sexual, physical, and emotional intimacies. In other words, your partner or you will keep sexual, emotional, and physical attractions to themselves instead of sharing them. Sexual desires can be hidden, physical intimacies can be given up, or emotional intimacies can be just kept inside. All these things result in intimacy issues that gradually weaken the relationship. Now, let's talk about how you can fix intimacy issues. Number 1. Find beauty in your partner. Sometimes you might not feel attraction toward your partner. Don't just reject this idea. That's normal. That's where you need to find the beauty in your partner. Be a person who is seeing the partner for the very first time. How would you see them now? Pay attention to the details, and you will see what a soul you have for yourself. See your partner as someone living for you, breathing for you, and present for your happiness. The same is true for you as well. You love your partner and have the right to see them however you want. Let them feel you are into them. A tip here is to make them sit on a couch and observe them. It's very effective. See your partner's face, their eyes, how they smile, and how they feel shy when you look at them. Not to mention, don't make it awkward. You know what you have to do. That's how they would feel intimacy, and so would you. You will feel you are missing the soul you always had with you. Number 2. Give little intimate signs. You might not kiss, hug, and hold your partner's hand more frequently. You do it because you think they understand you love them. But intimacy cannot be understood until you give signs. No matter how old your relationship is, you have to give signs. But what to do? Well, listen then. Try talking to your partner and suddenly kiss them softly while they say something. Or bring the topic back to how you both met and then pause and hug your partner. Just feel the moment while you kiss and hug. Intimacy would be at its peak, and this can lead you to even sex as well. Before we continue further, tell us, are you loving the video? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos about relationships, sexual advice, and intimacy. Let's continue now. Number 3. Do things together. You already know what your partner loves to do. Now, even if you hate that activity, join them in it. Make them enjoy it. Don't let them feel their happy moments alone, because that way, you can be pushed out of the equation. If you become a part of their happiness, next time, in a happy moment, you would be missed if you were not there. That's what you need. Number 4. Become their habit. A very thin line exists between being nice and intimidating. Your partner might love to always have you with them, or the opposite can be true. Your partner might want to have some space alone as well. Keeping that in view, try to be with them at every moment. First, give your partner some me time. Let them be alone for as much as they want, but then go to them and become their stress absorber. Be the person to whom they feel comfortable telling everything. For some time, keep all your problems aside and pay attention to their problems. Listen to them and make them feel you care for them. The main idea is to make a time when you and your partner will discuss everything while sitting together. You can choose the bed and lie together. You can let your partner share what they are thinking about while you can plant some soft kisses on their neck or body. That's how you start to become their habit. But how would you know that? For that, you have to listen to the next step. Number 5. Let them miss you. In step 4, you have made yourself an intimate body where your partner can lie on. You become a sort of treatment your partner would want because you kiss them and listen to them, and that's what a soul needs. When you become a troubleshooter and stress absorber, you actually become a habit. Now, suddenly, let your partner miss you. Do it deliberately. Tell your partner you're going to another city for a few days. Your partner will feel it's normal, but after a few days, they will miss you. But why? Well, that intimate spot, which is you, is no longer there for them. Don't forget that you should not repeat this step again and again. Otherwise, it can weaken the relationship as well. This step is too sensitive and subtle to try. Did you feel earlier that you might be having intimacy issues? Moments can come when you feel love, but expressing your love and indulging in intimate moments feels awkward. This might sound a bit off, but that happens when you have intimacy issues. Would you want to follow these tips to resolve all intimacy issues? Do you think these steps would create a difference? Try them out, and you will see how effective they are. If you loved the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch videos about relationships and sexual life advice. We bring videos you won't get anywhere else. Until the next video, stay tuned.